Welcome to MyFundBazaar Academy. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to instantly withdraw from our online ATM 24/7 via our app in 5 simple steps. We are happy to announce our partnership with ICICI Prudential Mutual Funds. Once you have downloaded and signed up on our app, open it and you could either enter your PIN, authenticate your Face ID or your fingerprint recognition. Step 2. Once you are on our homepage, scroll down to Online ATM. Since we are focusing on instantly withdrawing in this video, swipe left. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Kindly note that the minimum amount that you can instantly withdraw is ₹1 and the maximum amount you can instantly withdraw is ₹50,000 per day. You will need to verify your bank details like your bank name, account number and ICICI code. Step 5. Once you have cross-checked everything carefully, click on Withdrawal. You will then get an SMS from ICICI Prudential Mutual Funds and your respective bank. If you have enjoyed navigating through our app, please take a moment to share your experience with us and rate our app. We would be very happy receiving your feedback. If you haven't downloaded our app yet, I have left the Android/iOS links in the description box below for you to instantly sign up on. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay notified to our future uploads. Thank you so much for watching.